Our super kid, 8th grader Jasmine Resendez, got the chance of a lifetime.
Hello, America. My name is Jasmine, and we'll be interviewing players with me. So let's go. Go Patriots!
First, she talked to the Patriots.
How does it feel to be a tight end on the Patriots?
It's special. I think it's the most fun position in football.
Behind me right now is Stephon Diggs, and I'm going to go try and get a question from him. So let's go. If you wasn't a football player, what would you be doing right now?
Well, I got a lot of interests. I'm into furniture. I got my own furniture line now. I'm into clothes. I'm into fashion.
And then she asked questions of the Seahawks.
How excited are you for the Super Bowl?
I'm excited. It's a dream come true.
What was the most difficult adjustment as a rookie?
I think getting community, finding our group of people.
Ending a stunning debut for our kid correspondent.
Guys, today was super fun, and I hope the whole week will be fun too.